Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing that I'm going to begin doing, I've already glued down my cap. I skipped that whole part. I know usually my cap looks a lot better than this, but your girl has some difficulties today, so it's all types of whatever. Today I'm going to be putting on my deep curly wig, and this wig was purchased from me, and this is my hair. I've never did a review on my curly hair, so I would just like to give you guys a raw and uncut of my curly hair. So basically this is what the wig looks like. I've already put, you know, my little makeup on the rim and whatnot. I dyed this hair jet black. It usually doesn't come this dark black, but I've dyed it jet black, so yeah. Alright, so first thing I want to do is try on the wig. I'm going to go ahead and just cut off my ear tab and get that part out the way. This hair looks so freaking big. I don't even know why it looks this big. Alright, so here it is. Here and here. This part is going to go right here, and this part is going to go right here. So yeah, now it's basically ear to ear. I'm going to actually slide it back a little bit more. I want it to be like at this point, and then basically like this. Alright, I'm going to be taking the hot glue. A second. So I know y'all tired of my middle part, so today I won't be doing the middle part, but I'm just doing this part. Like I told y'all, I just like to do it this way so I can kind of have a guideline on what part of the hair is the center and what part is the side. So yeah, so this is just to help me part the hair, put it on evenly, put the wig on evenly. Alright, ear tabs like this, like this. So basically once I glue it down, it'll be glued down right here and to right here. Hold on, let me just fix my ears. To right here. I think my ear tabs on this side might be a little bit too long, so you want to be careful when cutting your ear tabs because these are your sideburns. I don't really like to mess them up because they're my favorite part in the lace situation. Alright, so that's how it's going to end up right there. And follow to right here. And then right here. Continues to follow. Alright, so I'm just going to slide the wig back some. And now I'm going to get to the step where I begin to put the glue around the rim of my hair. Look at this part. Oh my god. I don't know why, but my cap was like a whole hot mess today. I don't know why, but it's really not messing with me. And I'm just going to continue. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. I'm not too sure on what part it cut off at, and I don't know why it stopped recording. But, hey. I've already put on my first coat of glue, and now I'm just going to go ahead. This part looks crazy. I'm going to go ahead and just put on my second coat of glue. As you can see, the glue is already starting to dry up pretty fast. Now, I like to, in between changing fingers, I like to rub off the old glue just so I don't have all this extra glue on my fingers. Alright, now I'm just going to get into glue again. So string of hair right here. You always need to grab those strings of hairs that might be stuck on your forehead or around it. I just hate having, like, it looks messy to me when you have like your lace down and it's like random strings popping out of everywhere. Like, it drives me really, really crazy. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just lay down the lace. Here's what I consider to be my center part, and I'm just going to take my finger and just press it in right here, right there. And I'm going to take off the clip and put the clip on this side because I'm going to start to glue this side down first. So you just pull your lace forward and press it down. Press it against your skin. Look how it just like literally melts in, like. Alright, so I've got this side down. I'm gonna have to add some more glue to the first part right here. I like literally cannot, like, my curly hair is too long. I've made wigs with this hair before and like I wash it. It doesn't really tangle. Like, I'm actually gonna do like a little side part action type of thing. Like, I never do these, so I'm gonna do something like that. I'm just trying to figure out how the hair is gonna flow. Like, I might do like a no part type of thing, but I don't know. I like the hair though. It's so big. I'm gonna show you guys all the shedding that I'm getting as I run my hands through it. Not to mention that I've already like plucked out the frontal. But let me show you guys. This is some of the shedding that I've gotten. And on this side, I didn't really get that much. If you guys can see this or not, it's just some strands. Oh my god, yes. So by the time this video's up, these are gonna be added on my website. So I bought a bunch of these wholesale for you guys because a lot of people ask me like, where do you get it? How can I purchase one? I can't find them in my local Beauty Supply stores. So I got them, and I got them wholesale. So I'm actually gonna be only selling these for $2.99. Not that expensive, but shipping will probably be like $5 or $6. So that's what it's looking like with these. So these will be actually available on my website, so y'all can get them. I think I cleaned it enough. I think it should do my baby hair's fine. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna start with this side more since I have like way more going on this side. I'm gonna just make this side my sideburn side, and yeah, I'm gonna just pluck out the sideburns. I'm actually gonna hot comb the hair back some so it's not all in my face, and then I'm gonna just do my baby hairs. Y'all know me and my hot comb. Someone was like, what's the purpose of hot combing it, and then what's the purpose of straightening it with a hot comb and then wetting it, it curls back up? And it's like, maybe you watch me on mute or you don't pay attention, but I don't use my hot comb to flat iron hair. I use it to lay down the hair so it lays down flat and it's not too big or in my face, falling forward in my face. And all that good stuff. Look at all this hair. And I'm also wearing, my frontal is a 20 and my bundles are a 28, 20, and 2 26s. So this is only 3 bundles of long hair at that. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to start the baby hairs. I'm going to do this side first, then I guess I'll jump into the next side. This is the final look for my baby hairs. I'm feeling real, you know, real mixed, you know. Don't get me started. Yeah, alright. So now I've applied the lace and I put down my baby hairs. I'm feeling my baby hairs a whole lot. Now I'm going to be wetting the hair and making it look really pretty and nice. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my wax stick. This is the Caracara Wax Stick. You guys have seen me use it in almost all my videos. Now I'm just going to take it and I'm going to just wax up certain areas that I want to stand up. This side don't really need any, and I'm just going to put some on this side as well. And right here. Take the mini hot comb. And yeah, I'm just going to lay that out a bit better. You know what I'm saying? My hot comb is like smoking hot right now. Not literally smoking, but it's really hot. Alright, so like I said, I wasn't really doing like a part type of thing. I'm just gonna have it like, you know, going in a flow of its own. I'm going to be taking my water spray, which is this right here, and I just have some L'Oreal conditioner in this and water, so I'm gonna just take that in. Okay, the hose was off. I'm gonna split it into two. I'm not really gonna over drench the hair because I want it to be big, but I just wanted the curls to be a lot more defined. So I like to open up the hair and go in it with the spray. And my hair is like really curly, like it's not deep wave, it's like deep curly, so it's like alright. What's crazy is, like, I know you guys are really gonna like this hair. Please don't be mad at me, but the inches that I have on right now are like sold out. So yeah, somebody bought the last wig of this last night. So sorry, but I do have like curly balls in stock and stuff. I just did a reorder, so I'm gonna be getting more hair within the weeks. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my shedding. Like, this is what it looks like after I done wet it and ran my hands through it as a comb. This is what it looks like. Toss that in the trash. Alright, so this is my hair. So this is my hair collection here. shopsochar.com. I'm also wearing my lashes. These are lashes from moi, mem. Okay. This is hair from, oh, I'm not gonna say that again. So once again, this is my Brazilian deep curly, and I'm wearing a 20-inch frontal, and the bundles are two 26s and a 28-inch. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. It's really pretty. Like, I feel so fly. Like, so I've kind of like moved back a little bit, so you. I kind of moved back a little bit so you guys could basically see more of what I'm giving y'all. Duh, I'm gonna take some fire selfies like this. Like, it's so big, but the curls are like so pretty. Like, look at the back. In the back, they didn't really get that wet, which I couldn't keep that way. I'm so like proud of what I got going on right now. I'm telling you, like, I'm really got good quality hair that I'm actually selling, and my frontals are real life lit. Like, look, like my frontals, it speaks for itself. Like, it's not really a debate. I'm gonna start to do more different things with my hair so you guys can see the things my hair can do. I'm gonna do something with straight hair and color it more. I've already done something with straight hair, but I'm just gonna do more things so you guys know my hair versatile. You can do whatever. So I did this little side part for y'all type of thing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Let me know what y'all think of my makeup. I've been trying to use more colors and be more into the colors because all I do is boring things, and I need to just cut it out and do better. Like, I need to do more things. Like, I keep doing these boring looks, so I added a little color to my face. I think I've done this look before, but hey, comment down some ideas, comment down some hair tutorials you want to see me do. I'm gonna be doing that colorful hair look, so stay tuned for that. You know, I'm so excited for that. Also, I restocked on my website, so I do have straight units available. I have frontals of straight hair available, and I have curly bobs available only, and I think I have a few curly bundles left, but I don't think I have, all I have is like 30 inches and 26, so yeah. But for I have 26, 28 and 30 inches available still with 20-inch frontals. So, you know, you can make you something that looks like this. It'll just be a bit longer, a little bit better than what I got on, but hey. Well, that's all for today. Oh, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Charlene Forever and on Snapchat at Charlene Forever as well. Bye.